welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Laura. Thank you for joining us today, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps me out a lot. Thank you. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make my at-home shaving gel. It's a really easy recipe and it has 2 products in it, and this right here will probably last me 2 to 3 months depending on how much I shave. I usually shave my legs about twice a week, and I pretty much shave my armpits every other day. Sorry if that's an overshare. This is what I use to shave now. I don't buy shaving products at the store anymore. So if you want to see how I made this shaving gel, then please continue to watch the video. Alright, so these are the 2 products that I use for making my own shaving cream, lotion, gel, whatever you want to call it. I guess we can go gel since we're using aloe vera gel. But this is what I use. I find this to work very well. It gives me a nice lather. And I will show you what products I'm using here. So I've got 97.7 pure aloe gel from the UP&Up Target brand. I chose this because it is clear. I didn't want the stuff that was green. I just wanted the clear just because that's what I wanted. I don't think it really matters, but that's just what I chose to get. And then I have the Dr. Bonner's Castle Soap. I think that's how it's pronounced, Castle Soap. There we go. Dr. Bonner's Castle Soap, and this is in the lavender. So this is my bottle that I like to put the shaving lotion in. And notice how it looks like the aloe vera bottle, because it is. I have repurposed this to put my shaving cream gel in. Alright, now this is the part that I hate. Trying to get this gel out of here. I'm forgetting what I'm doing here. So what I'm going to do first, try to get it all to the bottom there. And we're just going to squirt it in. It's probably going to sound unpleasant for a while. And I'm going to do half of what's in here, because I can get 3 of these out of 1 of these. So you want to use a third of it each time you make it. So you can get 3 uses out of 1 of these. Alright, let's see where we're at. A little bit more. This really is, it hurts my hand. So that's how much we got left in there. Alright, so we're going to use our funnel so we don't make a mess everywhere. And that's about as full as I'm going to fill it, because when you do shake this up, it gets like really foamy. Not the prettiest color or the prettiest packaging. Anyways, that is your shaving gel right there. So you can shake it up every time you go to use it, or you can just squirt it right out. But now it's mixed together, so it won't be separated anymore because it's mixed together now. And maybe we'll let this set here and let it unfoam, and we'll show you what it looks like when it's not recently shaken up. But it's just fine to use it like this, because when you go to squirt it out, you're going to be getting the stuff that's not foamy. But yeah, it works. So what I've been using for over a year. And if you ask any of my exes, I have nice legs. So shaving gel. So it's never going to go back to being aloe on the bottom and your soap on the top. It'll always stay mixed. You can't separate that. Alright, so that's how I make my at-home shaving gel. I hope that you try this out and that you enjoy it as much as I do. Also, if you want to see how I make my own at-home apple cider vinegar rinse for my hair, go to the description box below. I will link that there. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss other at-home products that I make. Bye everyone. Thank you for watching.